Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a deep oven clean. My oven is pretty dirty and we're going to be doing a deep oven clean with baking soda or bicarbonate soda, whichever you prefer to call it, and white vinegar spray. So it's a total natural cleaning method and I've basically put it to the test to see if it actually works. And really, yeah, it definitely works because I've already done it. This is me doing my intro separate to me actually cleaning because I had no makeup on when I was cleaning. So, I mean, I can't always wear makeup. So that's what I did. So if you are new here, my name is Siobhan and I post new videos every single week. So if you are considering joining us here, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. And if you do enjoy this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Okay, so hi guys, this is my oven before. It is pretty disgusting. I haven't done it in a few months and look at the absolute state of it. So I cannot wait to get my hands on this. So yeah, let me just put some music on. I'll quickly show you the products that I'm using. I am only going to be using bicarbonate soda, baking soda, and white vinegar for this, but I will have a few tricks and tips with tools that you may need to get this job done quicker. Okay, so you're going to need to have bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. You're going to need 1 cup of this, put it into a bowl, and then you're going to actually use, I'll quickly tell you now, you're going to need about a quarter of a cup of water. I did do spoonfuls of, tablespoons because that's how I thought you had to do it, but I didn't get the consistency that I wanted. So you will see in a minute, this is how to get the consistency, but you will see me fiddling around with a spoon, but don't worry about that. Just put a quarter cup of water into it and it will give you the nice paste that you need to spread onto the oven. So whilst you are soaking your racks, this is what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be getting the paste on a sponge and we're just going to spread it like a paste all over the oven. So as you'll see me do this here. So after you have spread all of your bicarb mixture onto your oven, you are now going to go along and do the clean the racks. Sorry, I can't even speak. So I'm going to use the same paste to do it, just to show you can do it with that. It just takes a little bit longer. But I am also going to show you another little method to do with the racks, cleaning the racks, that is not bicarb soda. So I'm just going to show you it in here. It is the pink stuff, but it does come off a lot quicker with the pink stuff, just to let you know that. I thought I would review that for you as well. It's better to use a metal scaler, a really hardcore metal scaler. This is going to scrub it off really nicely. And also use a scraper, which I will leave a link to where I got mine from, so you can go ahead and get it. I use it quite a lot in this video. It just makes it so much easier to get off the really hard stains. So now it has been sitting overnight. It's been sitting for about 12 hours all in the oven. I'm now going to take the white vinegar spray. This is the Star Drops version, and I'm just going to spray it up. It will fizz up and foam up because it reacts with the bicarbonate of soda, which is really actually quite satisfying. Then you're going to get the scaler that I've been using, the metal scaler, and we're going to scrub. And also I will show you a little clip here. There will be a little clip where you'll see me showing you the scraper that I use, which is so handy to have. You need to have it for a lot of different jobs. It works so well. And yeah, so I'm just basically going to show you now. Hopefully you can clean with me, clean your oven with me. Put this on, I'll put some music on, and you can clean it with me. So this is the famous scraper I've been talking about. You've only seen it really quickly there, but really what I'm doing up is scraping all of the stains that are really stuck into the oven, because you know you get them really hard stains, and it came off like a treat. So I really highly recommend getting one of those. I will leave a link, like I've said previously in this video so far, but honestly it's such a handy tool to have for when you're cleaning things. It works on the hobs, it works on so many different things, so I highly recommend it. And there you have it, that's it all finished. Look how sparkling it looks. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in my next video.